If you have been looking for how to make a bubu gown style with this type of neckline, then this tutorial is what you're looking for. Continue watching till the end. It's very simple. To make this, I'm going to be using this Asoke fabric. You can use 2 pieces of Asoke fabric, and then I'm going to use African print. You can use any African print of your choice. Depending on your client, you can use 3 yards or 3.5 yards. So here is my fabric. I folded it first of all, salvage to salvage. You see how it is? So you folded it into salvage to salvage. Then you're going to get the length of your client and you fold it into 2 again. So like I have it, my client's height is 60, that's 58 plus 2 inches, that's 60. So that's what I have here, folded into 2. Now it's folded into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you understand this. Very simple. So I'm just going to turn it the other way around so that you see the fold. Can you see this place is folded into 2 like this? So this is very, very necessary. So next is for us to cut this. So this place that is folded into 2 like this is going to be the center front and the center back. So here you're going to take your armhole length, that's the wide, how wide you want your sleeve to be. I want it to be 13 inches, so I'm going to mark 13 inches here. I'll go ahead and square out this line. So this will be the only vertical line you will need. So now you're going to do your bust circumference divided by 4, sorry dear, by 4, and then you add 3 inches to that. I'm going to take all this thing down to the hemline. So whatever you have there, take it all the way down to the hemline. Remember, your bust divided by 4 plus 3 inches. 2.5 inches for ease and 1/2 inch for sewing allowance, so that's what made it 3 inches. So I'll just go ahead and connect this sleeve like so, like a doorman sleeve. I hope you understand. Yeah, that is it. It's very simple. So next thing, I'm just going to cut it out so that you see what I mean. I can see the chalk is hard to see, but when I cut this out, you'll be able to see what I mean. This is it after cutting it out. Next, we are going to go over to the neckline. So here I'm going to mark 3.5 inches neck width, and then 1 inch for the back neck depth. Then I'll go ahead and connect it like this. For the front neck depth, I'm going to mark 9 inches. And then I'm going to mark where I want the design to stop. I want it to be 17 inches, so I'll just mark it. Then from this 17 inches, I'll mark 2.5 inches. Mark it all the way straight to the neck depth. Remember, 9 inches neck depth for the front, so I'm going to mark 2 inches to that place. So I'm just going to connect this to meet the 9 inches, and then connect the other ones straight. So I'll first of all cut out the back neckline. So I'm just going to cut it like this. Just watch the way I'm cutting it, and you will understand why we folded this fabric like this. So here I'm going to lift up the front and then cut out the neckline for the front alone. Can you see? This is why we folded this fabric like this. That way it's easier for you to cut out the front neckline. So just go ahead and cut this out like this, and that is it, guys. So I'm going to take the measurement of the neckline. This is very important. So place your tape like this. You can see where I'm starting. You just take your measurement round like this to know approximate how many inches you're cutting out for your Asoke. Make sure to add enough allowance. Then that is it. Next, I'm going to mark where I'm going to be adding the pocket. So guys, this is to your discretion. Anyhow you want to make your pocket to be, just go ahead to decide how you want your pocket to be. For me, I made it like this, but I later changed the design because my client said she didn't want this design I made. So any design you want, make it for yourself. That's up to you. I hope you understand. So if this is your first time coming across my channel and watching my video the first time, please turn part of this family by subscribing and turning on all notifications so that you will be able to see my video anytime I upload it. Please, subscription is free. Please just hit the red subscribe button there and you'll be part of this family. And to my returning subscribers, I appreciate a whole lot. So next we'll be working on the neckline. This is my Asoke. Asoke comes by width of 6.5 inches. So I'm just trying to be sure again. All you need to do is to cut your 6.5 inches into two. Just go ahead, cut it into two because you're not going to use the full Asoke like that. So with the fabric facing up, this is the right side of the fabric, you're going to extend this, leaving allowance, and then you're going to sew this all the way around. Just go ahead and sew it all the way around. It's as simple as that. Just place it like this and keep sewing it, and when you get to the end, I'll show you what to do. So just sew it round, and I'll sew it round and come back to you. So this is it after sewing it round, as you can see. Then I'm going to turn it to the back. This is the back, like I told you. So I'm going to turn this to the back and show you what to cut out. So here you're going to snip this place. Watch where I'm showing you. You snip this place to get to where your stitching stopped. Very important. Also do the same thing on the other side. That's why I turned the back, so that I'll be able to see the thread. When you're done, this is how it's going to look. So just go ahead and bring the Asoke towards you, towards the back side, and then align it properly to give you the nice design you saw. If it cannot overlap a bit, that will be very fine. So you just go ahead and stitch here. So after stitching it, it will look very neat. So just here, that's what you're sewing, and then this is what I have here. Then make sure you top stitch that place. So now is the time for me to place my pocket. I'm just going to place it the way I marked it. You can decide to also add this pocket at the side and sew it here like this, because I've already prepared it. And after I was done, I stitched this side. Now we're going to add the sleeve. So you're going to use the Asoke. Place this inside. This is right side on wrong side. Just watch what I'm doing. You should be able to pick what I'm trying to explain. So you already know that this is the front, so you sew it and turn it over to the front. So you're sewing it from the back towards the front. So this is it after I was done stitching everything. Can you see? It's very simple and it's beginner friendly. So look at the sleeve. Can you see the turn up? Yeah, very simple. If you watch this video till this time, remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. And this is the final look. Remember to follow me on my Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, all at Lomzy Sews. I'll see you guys in my next video.